People ask, can I use a microwave as an oven or an oven as a microwave? Now between the two, tell me, which one is the microwave and the one, which one is oven? Is it this one or this one? The one that I'm going to start with is the oven. It's 20 liters oven, Linux plan. As you can see, let me open. This is how it looks like. This is a grill, and this is a baking tray. What makes the difference between an oven and a microwave? You can see this one. These are the coils that heat the oven. It has two sides, the lower part and the upper part. So this one cannot be used as a microwave. You understand? Or maybe if you want to warm something, maybe you just place on this grill or on this baking tray. But you cannot put a plastic item here to warm something like this one. You can't use this one. This is an oven. Remember, the heat that is emitted by this oven is excess. So this one is not suitable for warming. Maybe if you're going to place on this on the grill or on the baking tray, yes, it's okay. But maybe something like this plastic, no. This one is for microwave. This one is more suitable for baking or roasting meat. Okay. This is the microwave. A nice one. It's 8 ounces for me. This 20 liter. The same capacity with this one. This 20 liters, the microwave still is 20 liters. Let me show you. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. As you can see. This is how it looks like. This one you just place it there. And then that plate there. This one is the best, is the most suitable for warming items, even with the plastic items like this one. You just put there and then you just close. This one is manual. The one with the knobs, this one is manual. And this one right now, it is on offer, going only for 5,500 Kenya shilling only. And then people, we have two types of microwave. We have the manual one with the knob, and then this one, the new version, the new model in town. This one is digital. You just touch here. And then people ask, does it come with a grill or not? Now, like this one for Linux, it has the grill. This is what we mean when we talk about a grill. This is a grill. Not all microwaves come with this grill. No, it is for the chooser. And some few blocks like this one Linux. This one has the grill, so you can just place it on this one. It still has this plate here. So if you want to warm, you can just use this one here. You just place it there, and then this is how you place the grill. Maybe you don't want, maybe you want to roast meat, and you don't want to put a plastic thing. So you just place this one there, and then you cook. This one is digital. This one is manual. For the manual, this one is on offer, going only for 5,500 Kenya shilling. And this one, the digital one, this one right now is only going for 8,200 Kenya shilling. It is on offer. And for the oven that I had introduced earlier, this one, 20 liters, going only for 4,500 Kenya shilling. So with this one, you need less than 10,000 to have them in your house. Yeah, and if maybe you want this one, you need less than 13,000 to have these two. Imagine having this kind of kitchen appliances in your new house, or maybe in your old house, but you want to refurnish it, to refurbish that. Yes, just come here. Room Accra Lobby, Junction Trade Center. Payment of delivery within the lobby, within outside the lobby in the Lipa, tunapeleka kama pasa. Welcome.